people. So when you are a pet parent, it's like there's so much of work involved, but of course, spending time with your little pet makes one feel so good. So my little rabbits. Um, so that's what a lot of my day today was just around these little baby rabbits. So this particular video I have to speak about dating around Brazil, this particular show that is on Netflix. And here, much like dating around the English version, this particular show dating around Brazil is in Spanish, but the format is the same like they have in English. And it's quite interesting, yeah, that in the 6 episodes, one episode is dedicated to a gay couple, one is uh, for a lesbian couple, and then the remaining four are, you know, that's what it's all about. People, it's all about a person who's going on a blind date with four different people, I think four or five, and then finally choosing that one person they want to be with. So it's quite an interesting show, and you can catch it on Netflix. It's called Dating Around Brazil.